castle on the hill.
What's up guys, thank you so much for 600 subscribers, we are really happy for that. But our goal is to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So if you haven't already, then please subscribe to our channel to not miss the future videos that we will upload. And if you enjoyed this video, also give it a like. For this video we will do a sound comparison between the Soundboks Go and the Boombox 2 from JBL indoors. We have already done this type of video outdoors, and if you haven't seen that video, it is linked up here. So we will compare these speakers indoors. Firstly, we will hear one song where the Soundboks Go is playing on 50% volume, Boombox 2 around 70% volume. And then we listen to songs after that where the Soundboks Go is going to be playing on 70% volume and the Boombox 2 maximum volume. So you will hear the difference in the sound, not the loudness. And also, please don't forget to use headphones or a good speaker system when you listen to the videos to better hear the difference. The Soundboks Go does sound overall better outdoors. That is also why we do this video indoors and why we have done it outdoors. Because outdoors, the Soundboks Go is just sounding better because of how it's built. The Boombox 2 sounds good indoors and also outdoors. So, without any further ado, also, yeah, I forgot that the Soundboks Go is going to be playing on Bass Plus mode on the Soundboks app on this entire video. But now, let's do this comparison.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. it's not enough. I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
That was the sound comparison, and as I said earlier, if you haven't seen the outdoor video that we did with the speakers, then watch that video so you will hear how they compare outdoors. If you then have any questions on the speakers or this comparison, or if you have a video idea, then please let us know in the comments down below. That was everything that we have for this video, so thank you so much for watching.